Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to sell tickets on Viagogo. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to viagogo.com and click the first link that appears in Google. Make sure to allow cookies when prompted. Now click login with Facebook to quickly sign in. This will make the process faster. After a few clicks, you will be in your account. Viagogo primarily sells tickets, but it also lets you sell tickets. Now click on sell tickets to begin. Find the event for which you want to sell tickets. For example, if you have tickets for Real Madrid vs Milan friendly match on July 31st, enter that. Choose between paper tickets or e-tickets. Enter the number of tickets you have. For example, if you have 3, enter 3. Provide seating details if available or select don't know if you don't have this information. Now enter the face value of the tickets, which is the price printed on them. You'll need to provide a few more details. Select if you work for the event organizer or are acting on their behalf. If not, choose neither of these. Specify any restrictions. If there are none, select no restrictions. If your ticket includes extras like VIP access or parking, mention them. Now choose if you are a normal seller or a trader. Click continue. If you don't have the ticket picture yet, you can upload it later. Select the currency you want to be paid in, for example US dollars. An authentication code will be sent to your email. Enter the code to verify. Once you have verified the code, your ticket will be listed on Viagogo. Note that Viagogo requires you to sell tickets at their face value, unlike some other platforms where you can set your own price. And that's pretty much all about how you can sell tickets on Viagogo. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.